Today I am going to discuss about the topic methods of teaching reading for beginners. Okay. Nowadays, many different methods of the teaching reading have been popular from time to time. While teaching reading to the students, the teacher should select the appropriate methods depending upon the students. Also, need and purpose of the reading. Then, the First, there are two types of methods. One is letter method and the non-letter method. In the letter method, it consists of the alphabetic method, the phonic method, and the phonetic method. Also, the non-letter method, it consists of the word method, the praise method, the sentence method, and the story method belong to this category. First, alphabetic method. In this method, they the teacher taught the alphabetic order and then the teaching of words and sentence. For example, balloon. The teacher should make the pupils to read the word with the help of the letters alphabet like B A L L O O N balloon, like that. Then the letters of the alphabet to make the sense or meaning for the students. Thus, the task of the learner becomes dull. Also, in this method, it is the monotonous. The second method, the phonic method. In the phonic method, the students are taught the basic speech sounds first. They learn the alphabet. Then the sounds of vowels and consonants are taught, and then how to associate these words with symbols and thought. Later, they learn how to form the words. Also, this method provides a firm foundation for speech training among the learners. The third method is phonetic method. In this method, they learn the 44 sounds in the English language like fricatives, consonants, vowels, diphthongs, semivowels, nasals, etc. In the students, they learn the phonetic symbol relating to the 44 sounds in their language. They can also read the material more meaningfully, discussing one sound from the other. Okay, then non-letter method. In this non-letter method, first the word method. In the word method, it is also known as look and say method. In the for example, to show the picture of the tiger and the another side to write tiger. So they learn this is tiger. Also, it does not express the abstract words like honesty, love, pity, etc. cannot be presented through the picture. This is a limitation for this the method. Then second one is the praise method. It is based on the belief and the praises are more interesting and meaningful than the words. In this method, it completes praise is dot instead of a word. Then it also has its own limitation where praise lacks complete meaning. Then sentence method. In the sentence method are thought instead of words or phrases. It is the unit of speech. It teaching reading lays the foundation of practically to all the attitudes and skills for good reading. Example, he is a boy. His name is Govin. It has this limitation of overstress and memorizing in the process of learning. Then story method. In the story method, they learn through the 4 or 5 sentences illustrated through the pictures. They learn the story by heart, then read it. In this way, they first recognize sentence and the verse. Also, it based on the belief that children have naturally liking for stories. This method is an extension and advance over sentence method. From the concluding, teaching beginners for the reading to requires a combination of the words including phonics, phonemic awareness, whole language, hidden reading, side-word recognition, multi-sensory approach and technology integration. Also, a comprehensive approach, it helps to beginners on the path to reading success. Thank you.